Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the NetFly app to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and it will take you just a couple of minutes. And now the very first step is you'll need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on the device, open the search bar and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom now. Just click on Downloader, and here's that orange application, which you need to get to the device. But after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings. So just click that little button with a gear icon. Open it. And now here, you'll have to go to the My Fire TV. Open them, and then the next step is to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them. Make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to the installation of unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we head back to a list of apps on your device now, open it, and there's the Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, and now let's finally locate Downloader and open it up. So you open it, give it a moment to load. You know, here at the very top, there's a search bar, which you need to enter. So open it, and now there is a need to enter a code to download the app to your device. And the code is going to be 2063154. Oops, I entered 3 instead of 4, so once again it should be 2063154. And that's the code you'll have to enter. After that, you have to click on Next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click on install and wait a bit until the installation process here is fully finished. After that, don't click on open yet, instead it's better to press done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. And then when you return back to a list of applications on a Fire Stick, here it is, let's open it, and then scroll down to the very back. Here's the NetFly application, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. Hold it down, and then on the menu on the right side, click on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Of course, don't forget the most important step, which is of course to always have your VPN connected and turned on to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.